to everybody. My name is Luis Gerardo Cruz and I am professional cybernetic systems engineer. In this opportunity I want to show you the Siebel installation. I am a certified expert Siebel 8 consultant. I have two environments. The first environment with any feature enabled, only Siebel 8.1. But in my second environment I have two modules, the Siebel Call Center in OpenUI mode and the Siebel communication with any feature enabled. This is the web page of OpenUI. The OpenUI means it's a new feature that is enabled. You can run this module in any web browser. Okay, you can reach me at luisgerardocruz@hotmail.com for any professional consultant request. Thank you very much.